Hey friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this episode, we are going to look at how to use Google Translate. So basically, Google Translate enables us to be able to transform, like in case maybe someone does not understand English, so we can be able to use this to get to a clear language that we can easily communicate with the person. So to use Google Translate, this is what we do. When you go to Google, yes, we are going to go to our Google search engine. Then when we type in Google Translate, here we go. Yes, this is what it brings for us. So now I am able to freely translate from the language that I need to another, so we can be able to translate. So here you can have options of either entering the text, or you can enter a voice note. So if I enter a text, let's say for example I want to say, how are you doing? How are you doing in English? In English. Yes, so that is it. So now here I have it in English and in English. That is the Google Translate. But if I need to translate to a particular language, maybe I will say I want to translate from English to, let's say, German. There we go. So now you realize here we have English and what the Germans speak, which is French. So I will go ahead and say, how are you? How are you? And there it goes. In Germany it is French, so it gives us comma verso. So that is it. In case I want, I can go ahead and use a voice note. Okay, but for now we can opt for the one of typing in. Thank you so much for watching into my YouTube channel. Kindly subscribe, follow and like for more educative information about how to use a computer. Thank you so much. Have a good evening.